So today, you'll learn how to mute the camera shutter sound on your OnePlus 13. So, whenever you take a photo, you should be able to hear this shutter sound. If you hear this shutter sound, it means that the camera shutter is activated. Sound is activated, which means that whenever you take photos, this sound should be heard. So if you want to mute that sound so that you can take quieter photos, or you just don't like the noise that comes with it, then all you need to do is access the camera settings. To do that, you can just tap on this menu icon in the top right corner, then select settings. And then under settings, you should see the option shutter sound with a toggle next to it. So just tap on the toggle to disable the shutter sound. And now, whenever you take a photo, you should no longer hear the shutter sound coming from your phone. You'll also notice that my phone is currently unmuted, which means that this actually works successfully. If you want to enable the shutter sound, just go back to your camera settings and then tap on the toggle and the shutter sound will come back. If you want to mute the shutter sound while also simultaneously muting your phone, then you can always just put your phone into mute. And then once you've done that, it will also mute the shutter sound. So even if it's enabled on your OnePlus 13, you won't be able to hear any sound because your whole device has been muted. So it's up to you to decide which option you prefer to mute the shutter sound on your OnePlus 13. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.